Is your strategy an uphill battle? Then why not make it a downhill avalanche that goes all by itself? I'm talking about strategies for project organizations, like making teams more efficient, increase productivity, shorten lead times, create visibility. It might take years, it's a major burden, often people revolt and resist, and in the end it might not improve anything at all and nobody hears any more about it. And it is not because people need it to do their work, not because teams need it to collaborate, and not because project managers need it to complete their project. It's not for them, but they get the burden. And that is what I call an uphill battle. It's hard work, there are big losses, people fall back all the time, and in the end you lose. This is how to make it a downhill avalanche that goes all by itself. Remove their obstacles and solve their problems. And that is all. Then they don't need to change anything to improve everything. It goes all by itself. And this is how it works. A problem for people is they have too many other things to do and get overloaded, or they have nothing to do. And teams are incomplete and don't have the time for each other, but they can't do it alone. And projects don't get the capacity when they need it, because there are too many other projects. But when organizations stop initiating too many projects all at once, then problem solved. Projects have the capacity, teams can collaborate, and people get the work done. And nobody has to change anything for that to improve everything. It goes all by itself, like an avalanche. Here is where it goes wrong. The pressure to start new projects is high. Organizations need more projects to be efficient. But they lack the overview. When capacity is available and when it is too much. And they only can see when it is too much, when it is far too late already. This pipeline manager of Empower Your Project is fixing this. And it is new. It can be up and running in a few days or weeks. And not only more projects get completed successfully, but you can also do more projects and can even set up more project pipelines for even more projects. How beautiful is that? This is not for all project organizations, but it is the perfect solution for organizations that do projects for their core business on an ongoing basis. When you do projects mainly for clients and when it is critical to execute projects efficiently. I'm here to help you set it up yourself, and it can be up and running in a few days or weeks. My name is Jan van Egmond. I'm project management hacker because there are better ways that are easier to learn and easier to use. Thanks for watching.